Well, hey everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to Somewhere in the Barn. And we were in Fremont, Ohio in late June for the first summer car show, the Fremont Federal Credit Union car show of the summer. And we we'll do a short video on this. We kind of just went over to hang out, visit with people, and see the cars. But I did a little video, so we're going to put that out there. And thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the end. If you're ever at a car show in Ohio and you see this Mercury, that's us. Stop in and say hello. All right, let's get after it. I know I'll never have one, but I really love Indy 500 pace car replicas, and I love the third generation Camaro. Man, that thing's just cool.
Oh, I bet you. I love it.
With any luck, I'll finally drop this video on July 4th, right before the July 5th car show. So, happy birthday, America, and happy Independence Day, everyone. That thing's a beast, isn't it? The size of that car. When you have to have absolutely all the Pontiac that you can cram in a car and that you can find a place to park, that Bonneville is for you.
Don't get meals.
No, it won't. Your dad's been in plenty of them. Keep in mind that if you bring your car to these shows and I miss you, it's generally because there's too many people standing around your car gawking. I try to make 2 passes and kind of fill in the cars that I've missed, but I don't always make it. So there's a lot of cool stuff that doesn't get on the video. You'll find it by the sound of the guy playing canned oldies way too loud. They had a second DJ down here keeping everyone entertained, and we were a long way from the main stage, so we couldn't hear it, but this guy did a good job, and he had a lot of fun. Well, there's Paul's Mercury. I know he'll be out on the 5th.
I won't put this in the video, but I don't know whoever could look at the Chrysler and go, that's stylish. Because it looks like a kindergartner drew it on a napkin in the blood of his enemies. I mean, seriously, that's just, they're strange. I won't put that in the video because someone loved it. I think it's an atrocity.
I did put that in the video. And while I don't really disagree with myself, I love big Chryslers, Dodges, and Plymouths from the late 50s and early 60s. You just don't want one. But to see one going down the road, yeah, absolutely. See one at a car show, yeah, they're really cool. But man, they're strange. They are strange.
That is.
Push me.
I think the evening will draw a bigger crowd. It's fun down here at night. And then whoever sponsors it.
Oh, I like it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like it got this. No, I mean, I was still 2 years ago. It didn't, but now there's something. I think it's
Like last September, it was massive. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. That is cool. Oh, you got that set up nice.
Yeah, we've been on the road for about a month and a half in it.
Yeah, cool.
How y'all doing?
You need a couple of old school Coleman lanterns to hang off the side.
Hey, right? Yeah.
How's it going, Chris?
Good, you.
We're doing. You're not in a shady spot, are you?
What's that?
You're not in a shady spot, are you?
I'm finished up right now. Actually, the sun's just coming out right now.
Running and driving.
Is this one yours?
No.
No? I know you got one.
Yeah, it's still in the garage.
Yeah. Yep. 1800's the cheap guy now. The better guys are like 24. But all right, we'll be back. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that thing. My God.
Well, that's about it for this one. And if you're seeing this video in time, we'll be back in Fremont July 5th, 2025 for the Downtown Car Show from 5 to 9. So come see us out there. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you're still here, hit like, hit subscribe, or not. It's up to you. Be nice to each other. Go out, get dirty, do something, and have a great day. And we'll see you all in the next one.